like the last days of the dinosaurs. Aston Martin's $294,950 Vanquish S is one of a handful of extant Tyrannosaurus Rex. Big capacity naturally aspirated engines still bellow rage at the world in general. So, 6 liters, 12 cylinders, 48 valves, and no turbo, hurrah. Well, as long as you're not buying the gas. As the delivery driver who brought this car to me observed, whatever I seem to do with this car, it never gives more than 14.5 miles per gallon, where as long as you barely touch the throttle, the new V12 gives you about 18. Aston's V12, which debuted this year with a fresh chassis, powertrain architecture that will eventually become a new car with the Vanquish name, is tuned turbocharged. The Vanquish S, with its extra power, is decidedly not. It's the off-road moments that styling gas mileage that naturally aspirate knows like the one in this car. Dragging that huge track, clean bodies, distance, and around plays havoc on economy when you aren't on it like jam on toast. At full throttle, there's not a lot in it, turbo or no turbo. The Vanquish is the most unlikely car ever to have almost not made it into production. The name was first used in 2001 attached to Ian Callum's Tucson aluminum, carbon composite coupe body, but then Chief Executive Yudhi held it back for 6 months.